So now let's talk about how to recover XLM if you are missing XLM on your wallet. Now, one of the reasons why most people mix XLM on their wallet, like Coinbase wallet, is probably because it's not supported on that wallet. Now, I'm going to show you what to do to actually get your XLM back. All right. Now, first thing you need to do is that you need to be sure that this actually is missing on your own wallet and not on another person's wallet. Now, the second thing you need to do is you make sure that you import that particular wallet, the seed phrase of that particular wallet, grab it, import it on Trust Wallet, and you will have your XLM back. So you shouldn't be losing. So if this video wasn't helpful enough for you and then you're still having challenges, feel free to email me at nbaruna@gmail.com or send me message on Instagram at barunatradex